Hello, welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to create a circle in SolidWorks Sketch. So start a new part file and click the part and click OK. And let's sketch it on the front plane. So select your front plane and click Sketch. And there are two types of circles you can create in SolidWorks. The first is just a regular circle and the second is a perimeter. There isn't any difference between both, it's just how you create it. So the first one is just a circle, so we'll select that. And to draw that circle, you click your first point, drag it out and click. And that's how you create that type of circle. The second type is a perimeter circle. So that's a 3-click. So you click your first point, drag it out, click your second point and drag it and click. So both of them are still the same type of circle. It's just how they are created. So the next thing we can do is we can click each circle and it gives you the circle, the properties for the circle. You can make it a construction line and you have the perimeters over here. You can add relations to it, but we don't have any existing relation here. So that is how you create circle in SolidWorks. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.